You ever feel like you missed the boat? Like everyone else got the memo on how to be successful, and you, somehow overslept? You're scrolling through Instagram and TikTok seeing 21-year-olds flexing Lambos, launching startups, or retiring their moms, and here you are, reheating leftover pizza at 2 a.m. wondering if you messed up your whole life. Pause, beat of silence. Let me tell you something they won't, you're not too late. You're right on time, if you start now. We live in the comparison Olympics. Everywhere you look, people seem to be ahead. But what if I told you? Police car like most of them are faking it. Those six-figure earners. Half are living on credit. That crypto genius lost it all last month. The overnight success took them 7 years and 3 breakdowns. Here's the truth. There's no timer. There's no race. But you've convinced yourself that you're already behind. Because you saw someone your age doing what you want to do. I'm 25 and I haven't figured it out. I'm 28, living with roommates and still broke. It's too late to start something new. You're wrong. And you're not alone. Let me introduce you to Eli. Eli dropped out of college at 22. Worked 3 random jobs. No direction. At 27, he started a YouTube channel about how he felt lost. Today, he's a full-time creator with $1 million brand. No degree. No inheritance. Just internet, grit, and time. Question for you, how many hours did you waste last week thinking about what to do, instead of doing it? Ouch, right? But we're just getting warmed up. The reset button is real. This is where the energy shifts. Narrator, voiceover. Let's kill the myth right now, restarting your life does not mean you failed. It means you leveled up. Think of life like a video game. If you realize you went the wrong way, what do? Rage quit? Nah, you respawn and pick a better route. Let me tell you about Rosa. She was working at a dental office. Hated it. At 29, she taught herself graphic design using free YouTube tutorials. By 30, she was freelancing full-time from Bali. Not bad for a late bloomer, right? Here's what changed. She stopped asking, what will people think? She started asking, what do I want to build? And she gave herself permission to start messy. You don't need $1 million idea. You need a laptop, some discipline, and a serious talk with your future self. Here's a crazy question, what would your life look like if you gave 100% for the next 6 months? No distractions. No doubts. No excuses. Would you have that online business? That digital product? That freedom? You don't need 5 years. You need focused effort. Because success online isn't about being the first. It's about being the most consistent. Start over, start now. Let's break it down. You're not too old. You're not too broke. You're not too dumb. You just haven't started. So, how do you start over? Collision step 1, cut the noise. Unfollow the flexers. Block out the fake wins. Focus on your path. Collision step 2, pick one lane. Dropshipping. Freelancing. Coaching. Pick one. Don't chase 7 things at once. Collision step 3, commit to 90 days. Make content. Build. Sell. Show up. Repeat. It's boring. It's messy. It's what works. Let me be blunt. The people winning online are not smarter than you. They just didn't quit after day 3. Ever watch a cringe TikTok and think, how is this guy famous? Exactly. Because he posted, while you hesitated. Let that sink in. Now imagine your future self a year from now. They're not stuck anymore. They're making money online. They're finally living life on their own terms. All because you started. Today. Face with steam from those emotional punch, fear and excitement. You know what should scare you? Not failing. Staying the same. Because comfortable misery is the enemy of your potential. You're not stuck because life is hard. You're stuck because you keep playing it safe. But the second you get serious, you unlock power you didn't even know you had. Excited? You should be. This is your chance to flip the script. Face with tears of joy, humor break / pattern interrupt. Let's be real. If you can watch 4 hours of Netflix and still not remember what you watched, you can watch 1 hour of YouTube tutorials and start a business. Don't tell me you don't have time. You've just been mentally ghosting your goals. Your dreams filed a missing persons report. Time to go find them. So listen, if you've ever felt behind. If you've ever thought you missed your chance. This is your sign. You're not too late. You were just early for your own comeback. And if this video lit something up in you, if you're ready to stop watching and start doing, backhand index pointing right, hit that subscribe button. I drop videos every week to help you build your dream life online. No fluff. Just real talk, real strategies, and that weekly kick in the butt you need. So, are you starting today? Because I am.